Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Yale number 14-5401-1641 lever return spring for the 5400 LN series. This is a 1641 spring, and this video is going to serve really as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. It's coated in oil. Let's take a look and see where the 1641 is used. There is a link below this video to a document from Yale, a handy cheat sheet really, Yale lever return spring summary sheet, and that tells us that the 1641 is the exterior spring for locks manufactured from 1987 to 2009 for the exterior side of that arrangement. Okay. They say current REX. I would take that to mean that the current locks that have a request to exit switch capability would take that spring, the 1641. That's how I interpret it. Let's take some basic dimensions of the spring. Work with the caliper first. The width of the spring, 0.159. The thickness of the spring, 0.041. 0.041 material thickness. Just a relaxed maximum outside diameter. It's about 2¼ inch. Okay. I would say distance from the tip of the spring to the other side. It's like it's right at about 2 5/16 or so, maybe 2¼ Okay. Lever return springs do fail. They fatigue like all other mechanical items. With enough use, volume, it's a spring. It will fatigue and fail. We do not see premature failure of these springs at all. That sort of problem is, in my experience, really not existent or non-existent today. Early on in the advent of manufacturers, very early 1990s, the advent of federal law for ADA compliance, A117 document, the manufacturers, in my opinion, were a bit flat-footed on producing reliable levers for the need in the marketplace. Those levers would not return back up, or they would break prematurely. It was an overnight change in behavior. I don't recall the day of the week that A117 became federal law, but it was as if on a Monday everyone was ordering knobs, and then on Tuesday everyone was ordering levers. Happened just like that. Someone is ordering a lever return spring. I ask a couple of questions. How old is the lock? Well, it's probably 10 years old. Yeah, where is it installed? Well, it's a family restroom in a hospital. Okay, so immediately I'm thinking, well, the lock is grade 1. It's a Yale mortise lock. Well, this is a Yale 5400, so it's a grade 1 cylindrical. It's rated to 1 million cycles, and we can guarantee that there's more than 1 million cycles that this has passed, and is very likely several million cycles. Yale and its sister companies have locks tested. I'm thinking of Sargent. I have a Sargent mortise lock there that I reviewed recently. That lock was found to be compliant 14+ million cycles. So lever return springs just don't break. They do break when you have epic amounts of volume on the installation. If you have any questions on the Yale 14-5401-1641 or any other Yale product, please feel free to reach out to us. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Yale products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog and some archival catalogs as well. Very old catalogs, turn of the century catalogs, and I mean 19th to 20th century era catalogs, and a lot of other interesting documents there as well. Any questions on the 14-5401-1641 or any other Yale product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.